The base plate attaches to the router's base. It provides a smooth surface to guide the router on. The most common issue with the base plate is accidental damage, caused by dropping the router. It can also be cracked if the mounting screws are over-tightened. Replacing the base plate is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The base is held on with 4 screws. I'll go ahead and remove them. Now I can install the new base. I'll align the base plate and start the screws. I'll use the screwdriver to tighten them so I don't accidentally over-tighten them and crack the base. And that's how simple it is to install a new base plate on your router. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.